So I'm going to be doing a little bit of cleaning today. I have other cleaning videos on my channel, but they're mostly of like my downstairs. I don't think I've shown too much of my upstairs. So I'm going to be cleaning my vanity over here. It's a little messy. I washed my brushes yesterday and my beauty blenders and stuff, so I need to put all of that stuff away. So I know a lot of people kind of struggle with storage space for like their makeup stuff, so hopefully you guys can get some ideas for me. I don't have anything like super crazy fancy, like innovative obviously, but I know I get a lot of ideas from watching like cleaning videos and people's like organization like ideas and ways they do things. So hopefully you guys can get a few tips like from me. And yeah, so if you guys want to see how I kind of clean up around here, go ahead and just keep on watching. Okay, so I have not cleaned, I'm gonna close this window before I start, but I have not cleaned my vanity in a few like days. I think I haven't cleaned it since the weekend, and today is Wednesday. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So this desk is from IKEA, this chair's from IKEA, and these drawers are from IKEA. They're all dirty too. I have to clean those. This mirror is from Marshalls. It's so cute. It has like rose gold, like kind of marbly. Super cute. And then I did get this is where I put all my brushes, as you'll see in a little bit. And I got this and this little acrylic, both of these two little acrylics holders from Marshalls, all three of those. I got that from Marshalls, I got that from Marshalls, I got those two little plants from Marshalls. That's from my wedding. I got those I think at Michael's. Yeah, I think at Michael's. And then this is, I've had this for a few years now. This is from the original beauty box. I like it just for extra things. I don't really store like a lot of makeup that I reach for in here, so you'll see that in a little bit. I put a lot of compacts in here, so like anything that's like a powder or in like a compact like this, I store it in here in the top drawer. And then this is just kind of like a little junk like box. Let me turn my light on, hold on. And then this is just like extra stuff in here. And yeah, so here it's just empty. I put a lot of smaller palettes in here that I don't want to put in here because they'll get like, they'll drown in there or in there because they're very deep. So I usually put those in here, and you'll see that once I start cleaning up. And then in here, I have all my foundations in here, and then I'll throw all of my lashes in here. And then here I have these palettes that I'm going to give away. I don't ever use them. This is just an extra makeup bag, like when I need to pack a makeup bag. Here's another makeup bag back here, like if I'm going to be traveling and needing like a lot of storage of space. And then this is just like an extra. And then I have popsicle sticks because I do my own waxing, so they just kind of spilled out in there. Then I have all my hot tools. I also am going to put those away. There's my straightener right there. Just wanted to do a little overview of kind of like where everything is going to kind of go. So I put all my palettes in here, and then I put brushes and palettes in there. And then I put a lot of tube stuff in here, like lipsticks and stuff. I've really like condensed my lip stuff just because I do have a lot of lip scents. Here is my lip scents colors right here. I do have some shelves over here, and I keep a lot of like my masks right here, and then like my hair stuff, because I don't ever do my hair in my bathroom just because my bathroom gets kind of cluttered, and I just like it to be like very minimal stuff in there. So yeah, it's just a hot mess right now, so so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm all done with my vanity. I ended up switching it around. I just kind of moved the middle things kind of like around to make it look a little more like cohesive, you know, like the same, like the two taller, bulkier things like at the ends. And then I did the little like succulents on the sides, and then I did my brushes in the middle. This is like stuff I use all the time. And then my lipsticks, and then my little sign over there. So I think it looks pretty cute. And it's all nice and clean. Hi. Hi. It's pretty clean over here. So this is the other side of the room. So here's like my vanity, and then on this side is the other desk with all of our office stuff on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe everything down. It's like super gross and like needs a good wipe down, and just kind of put things where they go. And yeah. Hi. My husband gave this to me for our anniversary this weekend. So cute. I think I'm gonna put it, it goes with my like pink theme over here. Maybe I can put it here. Yeah, let's put it there. Cute. Okay.